me, immense pleasure to start our annual day celebration by welcoming our honorable chief guests, respected dignitaries on the dais, parents, teachers, helping secretaries, my dear students and friends, on behalf of Anveshan Kids, come on audience, fancy seatbelts, as we are going to take you people to the world of fantasy. That is imagination. Fantasy has no limits. Spectator, keep clapping so that we shall keep rocking on stage. Enjoy the program and take back happiness and sweet memories. Thank you.
Thank you, Yuvan.